You start at their feet, you work your way up. We do
No,
the shoulders.
it's head and shoulder.
Especially when they're hot and sweaty off the Euro
dandruff.
side,
Extra.
we really do like this.
The one with the football.
Miguel gets a bath now and then. You know, you work behind.
Yeah, he's. Honey, what is he? Hip number 33?
39.
39?
39. So again, I'm doing the short version because I'm out of time, but what we'll do is
No.
we take our soap, it's concentrated, so we mix it with water. And I won't show you because we'll run out of time, but we just take the sponge and then you just sponge them all over with the soap. So those will be soapy as normal, right? And you do the legs. The white horses, we use a special whitening shampoo so that on sale day those whites will actually sparkle real white.
Yeah, I can't tell. Yeah.
This thing is full with water. The way we do the tail is after you're done, you take the water bucket, you dip the tail in there. Wash, wash, wash. Now you got a soapy tail. Then what you want to do is rinse him off again, and you got to rinse him really good. You don't want that soap sticking to his skin because that'll irritate him, make him itchy, dry his skin out, and you'll come back to your stall and you'll find that he'll be scratching, you'll have hair missing, you'll have mane missing, and then now you got a bigger problem because you didn't take the time to wash him properly. After that, we got to wring him out. So we just use this blade like a squeegee, and you'll see, we just take that water off. And you just do that flicking motion, you'll see all that water come off. You get underneath, because everything hangs down back there. And that's it. Except you do both sides, and you use soap when you really want that shine in. Good? Any questions? Awesome. Okay, we're good. We can bring the next one up to the round.
So this is actually, the sire of this horse is the sire of the very first horse you guys saw at Griffin Place, too, Song of the Prairie.
Okay, so let's make our way around.
Song of the Prairie is now in Louisiana, right?
Yes,
He
wasn't
was
Kentucky.
in Kentucky, but now he's in Louisiana. He was at, was it Walmart?
Yeah, he was a Walmart. Bobby Hurley actually ran him, the basketball player.
It's silly.
Oh, they're playing music.
Yes. Don't go.
This is on This would be next year's. Well, they're out there. That's next year's babies and our four mamas. He's actually a Stormy Fever. He just stole somebody's name tag. Yeah, he's a Stormy Fever. He's actually going to California. He's getting back
You know what? I married my husband. And he's a working girl. I am a cattle rancher's daughter. So I actually come from a ranching background. We actually raise quarter horses instead of thoroughbreds and cattle. So we worked the range, rode horse all the time.